Hello, David here, and the project for today is replacing the front door lower molding trim on a 2016 Toyota RAV4. This is my daughter's car and she had a little scrape with it. And to replace the part, you could find them aftermarket on eBay for about $30, or you could get the original part from Toyota. It's about $213. If it were me, I would probably use the original Toyota part because you never know how these aftermarket parts fit, but my daughter wanted to get the aftermarket part and it's her car, so that's what I'm going to do. Of course, a lot of people are on a budget and those are the decisions you have to make. If you're on a strict budget, you can certainly scrape those peeled pieces of plastic off, and you can remove the trim and pour some hot water on it and pound the dent out, and then maybe get some of that black plastic trim restoration stuff that they sell at the auto parts store, and it probably wouldn't look too bad. In this case, I'm going to replace it. I'm not quite sure how it's held on. I don't know if there's any screws or if there's just clips. And when you think about it, those body clips, those are all aftermarket anyway. So yeah, who knows, it might fit. Let's see what we have here. See, this part is made in communist China. Comes with some plastic fasteners. Yeah, I don't see any holes in it. It looks like it just snaps on. This looks like adhesive up here. So that's the top part, that's the bottom part. And it looks like, well, that's a, these slide to that way, and these slide that way. Yeah, that's how it's going to fit. Looks like it might fit okay. Color seems to match okay. Just can't feel the bottom edge of this molding. So I'll try pulling it out from the top. Well, duh. How about if we open the door? I never said I was smart. That sure makes it easier, doesn't it? So I'm going to get a little rag and clean the dust off of the door first. This piece broke off from the old molding and there's a metal clip holding that in. I'm going to try to take it off from the other side. Need to remove this old clip. Yeah, this is what's on the other side of that metal clip. It's a 10mm. Get your magnet tool ready because I know this is going to fall inside the door. Oh, it's stuck to my finger. Good thing for stickiness. Well, I checked the other side and this dent's not supposed to be there. Let's see if I can pound it out a little bit. I see the replacement clips are just a little bit larger than the stock clips. Kind of have it straight. I think that's about the best I can do. These two holes here and here, about 1/8 of an inch away from a straight line. Got my hardware pieces in. Doesn't exactly fit up. This is going to take some folding to match this profile of the old trim. I can't put this side on first because I have to secure a nut on this end to go into that stud. So I got to put the outside on first. Hope those clips grab. Well, this one right here is really off. The holes are lower. I'm have to play with that. I'm just not getting a great fit over here. This one's not snapping in over there. Guess that's the price you pay for aftermarket parts. Save a lot of money, but then you got to get some double sticky tape to put in there. Well, I just broke this fastener here on the end, so I'm going to need some double-sided tape on there and hope that holds. Put some of this protectant on there for vinyl and rubber. Not a sponsor. Well, I'm not sure how long this is going to hold, but for $30 you can't complain. At least the loose part of the panel is on the inside and not the outside. So it won't be in the way and it won't look ugly. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.